Greetings folks, William C. Rogers here, back at you with another video, and today we're going to discuss 3 free to join affiliate programs. That's right, free to join. Now, what's an affiliate program? Well, that has to do with affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is simply when you promote other people's products or other companies' products that you yourself never made, never invented, never manufactured, but yet when you promote them and you make any sales, that company or original product owner will pay you a commission. So it's sort of like a salesman, modern day independent salesman. You go look for different companies that have affiliate programs. In case you didn't know, for example, Walmart has an affiliate program. Best Buy has an affiliate program. Many companies have affiliate programs where you can come, you with no experience at all, and you're not signing up for a job as an employee with them. You are actually an independent affiliate who goes and promotes their products. And any sale you make, they'll pay you a commission, and any sale you don't make, well, no loss to no one. You see, that's how it works. That's affiliate marketing. Now, there are some affiliate programs that cost. They are termed as business opportunities. Now, these business opportunities, they may require you to do what is known as pay to play. In other words, they don't allow you to promote their products unless you yourself have bought the product and actually used it yourself. Now, we can see the logic in this, and some people might say this is the only ethical way, but I challenge even that. I'm an ethical person, and I'm not feeling that. Here's why. All of these stores you walk into in the offline world, whether you be, let's take the Walmart example again. Do you really think the owner of Walmart has used every product in Walmart? Do you really think the manager in Walmart has bought and used, if not all, most of the products in Walmart? But yet, they're promoting, advertising every day. Every day. So is it unethical for the owner and the managers of Walmarts to promote Walmart? Well, you might say, well, of course not, because they're employees. Look, as a salesman, your job is to deliver a solution to the consumer's problems and issues. That's it. That's it. Somebody has a problem, needing a car repair. Someone needs a new tire. You refer them to a tire company. Now, you yourself may be indifferent to tires. It may not be your thing. You may not have a passion for tires. But it does solve a problem for a certain group of people, for a certain audience. That's affiliate marketing, folks. You are the solution giver. That's what you are as an affiliate marketer. Now, back to the pay-to-play method. That might seem logical to some of you, but did you know that there are also affiliate programs that you don't have to pay to play? You simply sign up, they give you a link. Either you make sales or you don't. It doesn't hurt them at all. And to be honest, it's not really hurting you. It was free to join. Now, disclaimer. You may incur a cost for advertising and marketing. If you don't already have an audience, say a huge email list or a huge social media following or a huge text list with about thousands of phone numbers on it that you can do drops to at any given moment, Well, you may have to spend some money to advertise. You may run a few online ads. You may even do something as simple as have to print up a few flyers. So there may be a monetary cost in there. How do you get it back? Well, you're simply promoting the offer, hopefully which has value and is the solution to what the audience needs. Simple as that, folks. But what about some free affiliate programs to join for you today? Because not everyone has the funds. I know times are tight, and you're looking to make money, not spend money. So I'm going to show you 3 today. Let's start with the first one, which you can go to at wcrpro.info, Best Intro. It's wcrpro.info, Best Intro. And here is the opportunity here. And the name of the opportunity is called Best Easy Work. And you can go here and watch the videos and see exactly what it is. But it's an instant pay program, which means it pays instantly at the moment of sale. There's no waiting 2 weeks or waiting months for you to receive your paycheck. And you're simply giving away free websites that teach people how to advertise and market. And there's also insurance plans involved with it. There's also wholesale real estate involved with it. And you're not paying anything to join this. You simply come over to wcrpro.info/best intro and you sign up. You get your link. You promote. And any sales you come in, hey, you make a commission. Now, free members, which is what you would be coming in free, for anyone you refer who comes in at a paid membership, there are paid levels here, paid levels that go as high as $5K in this particular Best Easy Work program. And for anyone you bring in, you're going to get $25 instant pay. Boom. Just like that. And as you build up those sales and those referral commissions, those $25 add up, then you yourself can come up at some of the higher commission levels. Now, on the paid levels. That's what this is. Once again, wcrpro.info/best intro. Best intro. Okay, the next one we're going to take a look at today. You're going to want to go to wcrpro.info/free profits. Free profits, folks. Why did I call this free profits? Because this one gives you the ability to launch your own ebook selling business. You'll get stores in multiple hot niches. And the total cost for you to get all of these stores? Nothing. Zero. You just come, hit the get more information, boom. Go ahead and get your link, and there's going to be stores in many different niches. And these are some professionally designed and built stores. I want to show you just a small example of what they look like. Just a moment. And here is an example of just some of the stores that you'll get. Look at that. Look at all those stores. And this is just some. There are many, many more than this in different niches. Body detox, men's health, six-pack abs, make money online, colon cleansing, keyword sponsor, tattoo, dating and romance, casino and betting, day trading, get your ex back. There's a subject on just about anything and a website you will use. And what happens is it'll be a special link, specially coded to you, the whole site. And every product on that site will earn you up to 75 commissions. But what's the cost to you again? Zero. You pay nothing. Again, that's wcrpro.info, free profits. Now, the last one, but definitely not the least, is my personal favorite because it's my personal affiliate program. I actually have a couple But this is one that is very valuable because it is a Make Money Online workshop. This is from a veteran internet marketer with over 14 years of experience who I teamed up with to present this to you. And it's a full workshop that was done live. And what you're basically getting is the full workshop footage as if you were there yourself. That's the style it's in. It's as if you're there yourself. Now, it's going to pay you instant commissions, and you're simply going to come to wcrpro.info/workshop, and you'll come to this page. Simply sign up. The approval is instant, and you will earn 60% instant commissions promoting this privately held workshop. Now, when you go to the page, you're going to see all kind of bonuses, and we're going to take a look at the page in a second, but there's all kind of bonuses there that the end user, your customer, is going to get, in addition to any bonuses that you might want to add. Now, you receive 60% instant commissions also for a sales funnel installation upgrade. Okay, after they see the Money Counts offer and they buy, they'll be presented with an upsell that allows them to get their own sales funnel. My team will build their sales funnel for them, and it'll be ready in about 5 to 7 business days. That's right, we're actually manually building it for you, for your client. You can come in and buy it yourself if you choose, but the affiliate program is free to join. Let me make that clear. You just come in, sign up at wcrpro.info/workshop, and get your link, and you can promote this all you want for 60% commissions. And then, if anyone takes the sales funnel installation, you'll get that as well. Plus, I have all the traffic that you need at our Traffic Learning Center that you need to promote this offer. And there's also, I even provide a full funnel. I actually provide a funnel. Now, I don't build the funnel for you, but I provide the funnel, which means a squeeze page and a 7-day follow-up email sequence you can use as your own that promotes this offer. I give all of that to my affiliates for free. Let me say that again. For free. All right. And there's even a special. After 12 successful sales, you will immediately be bumped to a full 100% commissions on the front end, on that front end pop. I also have a video here where I actually review the ins and outs of the product itself so that you'll know exactly what's in there. But since you're on this video today, let's go ahead and take a look at the sales page right here. And here you have it. This is what your customer will see. Very nice page. Very nice page. Very nice. Then we can see these bonuses. Look at all of these bonuses that they're getting. Bonuses I have included along with this. This is an offer that just can't be beat, especially for that cost right there. Especially. And you're getting 60% instant pay commissions. And again, after 12 sales, you get 100% instant commission. It automatically upgrades you to that. There's me and Mr. Counts, the workshop presenter there. And that's that. wcrpro.info/workshop. You're going to want to get on in and promote this offer. Very awesome. And remember, there's that upsell. You'll also get 60% on that. And that upsell costs $97. So you're getting 60% of that. Yes. wcrpro.info/workshop. Come on and get your free links. I just went over it for you today. 3 free to join affiliate programs, folks. It's waiting for you. You now have no excuse. There is no excuse for you. No excuse. You should be making money. I want you to make money. I'm putting this and presenting this out to you so you can make money now. Thanks for taking the time to watch, folks. I hope you take advantage of this opportunity of these 3 affiliate programs that are free to join, 2 of which instant pay, instant commissions right at the moment of sale. William C. Rogers, peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.